The Delta State government has reviewed salaries of political appointees and workers on grade level 7 and above for 6 months with effect from July 2020 as part of measures to overcome the debilitating effect of COVID-19 on the economy. It is an interim fiscal measure adopted by the state government to sustain public spending, Ikenna Mechi reports.
Delta State has a workforce of 48,000 with a monthly wage bill of over 7.7 billion naira. It is one of the few states to implement the new minimum wage in January. But as the COVID-19 takes a toll on global economy, oil production and sales, the economy of the country dwindled, resulting in a reduction in the monthly Federal Account Allocation Committee. Just as the federal government has reviewed the 2020 budget, the Delta State has done same and is today looking at the wage bills. After a consultative meeting with organized labor in the state, it has decided to slash salaries.
The temporary review of salaries is one, only applicable to political appointees and workers on salary grade levels 7 and above, and does not affect workers on salary grade levels 1 to 6 and frontline medical personnel.
The public service and the civil service are less than 1% of the population of Delta State. And so, while we are trying to ensure that we will satisfy the 1% of Delta State who are civil servants and public service, the other 99% also too will have to be provided with the dividends of democracy.
The secretary to the state government says it is a sacrifice that was needed to keep the state moving. Also, the state chairman of the Trade Union Congress, who spoke on behalf of Labour, said the decision is to keep the state afloat in this period of global health and economic crisis.
So when we were approached to make some sacrifice to see that the state move forward, we had behind our minds the fact that the state government had always cooperated with us when it came to the issue of workers' welfare.
You cannot save what you don't have. The money we are reviewing is not a wastage before now, so that you say we are blocking loopholes, and then in which case you are not saving the money. We are only taking decisions based on what is available to us.
Though not palatable for workers of grade level 7 and above and political appointees of the Delta State government, but that is their own sacrifice as the COVID-19 effect bites hard on economies of the world at large. Ikenna Mechi, TVC News, Asaba.